That was our host. Yes.
Yeah, smelly dick, I think is what that was. Okay, assuming the position, I'm gonna mount and
You're the commentator.
thrust and pedal feet. See, this is how men loosen up women. Yeah.
What's that animal song?
That's horrible.
Get on, Casey.
Yeah, you get that stuff.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Let's cut a hole. Get that stuffed animal.
We timed him once. The longest he's ever gone is 22 minutes.
22 minutes.
Yep. He's got stamina. He's an old man too. He just turned 12. He's 64 years old.
Yeah, Viagra for cats. That's what.
Obviously, he doesn't need it though.
Natural born libido, baby. You get that shit.
This is a great camera.
I'll take the iPad.
I know, but I like this because I put it on a little tripod and wow, he's rocking it.
He's just loving it.
Look, he's all spread eagle.
Yeah.
You have to wait until he's done.
And he's just got, like, pinned between the floor and him. Like, this bitch ain't getting away. No way. This fucker's mine. It looks like he's actually giving birth to it.
He's totally facing the camera. This is it. This is his moment of glory.
I'll call Vivid Video tomorrow.
My friend Terrence has a friend that works for them.
Maybe they have a cat pornography section.
They have to. That's where I get all my porn from. He gave me a bag of porn for my birthday. This is all being recorded on this video that I'm gonna post.
Felineporn.com.
Pretty much.
Felinesmuck.com.
Pussy porn.
Wait, is that stuffed animal a boy?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
So now it's feline gay porn.
Feline twinket.
That's a whole... That's a whole brand of psycho right there.
Oh, I think he came now.
Do it, Casey. Go off with a bang.
Where's the meowing?
Listen.
You gotta get the meowing in there.
You can't hear him?
Yeah, he's gotta take a breather. Okay, back at it. You know,
He's
old
old.
cats have to take a break for a second and then regroup.
Should we light a candle or something?
I don't know, maybe some cat
Does he need music?
Yeah.
Keep
Strawberries,
singing.
You know?
And champagne.
Yeah, champagne, that's what I meant.
This is what grown people do in the afternoon. They watch a cat masturbate.
We don't have better stuff to do, obviously.
Obviously.
Oh, rocking back and forth, look at that. Look at that. That little jolt. Oh, that poor stuffed animal.
Totally. Molesting it. I washed it though.
Is it a dog too?
It's a dog.
Oh, she's getting back for all the canines in the world that always pissed her off.
Casey's fixed too.
Just
He has a
fucking
really
it in the head.
big little lipstick dick for a cat, but he ain't got no balls.
I think he's done.
No.
Oh, no. Oh. Round two. Round two. Round three. Fuck it.
This is a commitment. This is 5 minutes long, this video. Oh, he's getting up. Gonna mount her.
I'm gonna chew on her a little bit first. Alright, pose for the camera. There you go. Do a little twirl. Good. Pick it up.
That's your bitch.
That poor fucking dog. It doesn't look happy. Yeah? Take it somewhere else. Go in the bedroom if you have to. It's okay. God, that's some funny shit.
What are you gonna do, Casey?
You're gonna take it over in the corner and hide it and save it for later, I think. I think he's done. I think he's all...
No, he's not.
I think he's out of jizz.
No.